Alright guys, welcome to our new lesson today. You'll see that I posted two new lessons for us, and the first one we're going to be talking about is actually the easier of the two lessons. It's called Video Effects in PowerPoint. Alright, and some of this lesson, because I am recording this on a Mac, is going to be a little different than what you're going to see. But go ahead and if you haven't already, clicked on the link, and let's go ahead and go to our blend space lesson here. You'll see that our learning goal is that you'll be able to insert, manipulate, and trim video in PowerPoint 2016. I know it's weird to say it's still 2016 PowerPoint. It's about time for an update. And our vocabulary is pretty limited here. It's video tools, playback tab, and trim video. Alright, and we're going to go over all that stuff, even though I don't think I can trim video on the Mac version of PowerPoint. We'll see. Your objective is that you'll be able to download and manipulate practice presentation from your Classcraft accounts. Yeah, I don't know, this shouldn't be in there because we're not setting this up as a quest anymore. Classcraft is dead to us. Alright, let's click the link. If you haven't already, pause me and watch this little video here. Alright, this is a little intro video on inserting videos in PowerPoint. Alright? And then here's our directions. If you haven't already, let's go ahead and download the practice presentation. Alright. Pretty basic, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, improving your garden and outdoor environment. Alright, very cute little setup here at the theme and the titles. Alright. Right click our example video and save it to your computer. I think I already did. It's right here on my desktop and it's about honeybees. Alright, so on slide 2, change the layout to a content with caption layout. We're good with that on the home tab. Go to layout and we're going to set this thing to content with caption. Alright, and on the right hand side we have a little bit of text here, and right in the middle we have a huge content box. Alright, on slide 2, insert our example video into the content box on the left. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and insert video all the way over here to the right. Insert video from file. We're going to go to the desktop and say butterfly video, insert. Boom, there's our video. So let me just see here under the playback tab if I can trim my video. I don't think I can. For some reason, I don't think that's a feature I have. I think yours should be right here. Under the playback tab, it should say trim video. Isn't that weird that I don't have that feature? Oh well. And right here is where you're going to have to do it. Apply a video style of your choice. Let's do that first. Okay, video style of your choice. Click on the video, and under the video format tab, we're going to have video styles right here in the middle. And if you click the drop down, I have an eyelash attacking me. Click the drop down. We have subtle, moderate, and intense video effects. Alright, and they're just like the picture effects. Sometimes they add a little reflection, like this reflected bevel black. Sometimes they rotate the actual video, and I don't think it says to add any kind of specific video effect. A video style of your choice. That's it. So pick one. It doesn't matter which it is. I just kind of like these subtle ones. I'm going to go ahead and round it out and do a subtle rounded one and see how it gave me a little bit of shadow in the back of my video. It's the little things that make a big difference in your PowerPoint. Alright. Hang on. I'm a little parched. Alright. Add a bookmark. I can't trim my video. Trim the video so that it starts around 7.5 and the end time is around 0.25. Alright, I cannot trim my video, but here's the beginning time right here. 7.25 is somewhere around here, and end time is around 25. Oh, 17.5, and the end time is around 0.25. So end time would be like right here. And start time would be like right here, something like that. Oh yeah, it starts right with the bees, okay? And that's where you need to trim your video. I apparently cannot do that. It's not here under format either, like strangely. Crop, rotate, no, okay. Whatever, that's a weird feature to leave out. Add a bookmark somewhere in the middle of your video. This I can do, and I am kind of right in the middle of my video right here. But after you trim it, let's say, right here will be the middle of it, somewhere around here. And under playback, I think it is, you're going to see bookmark, add bookmark right here. Boom. And it just gives you a little yellow dot so you can reference something, like a moment in the video that you won't be able to pay attention to. On slide 3, adjust the picture brightness to 20 and the contrast to +20. Alright, so right here, this big picture format, and we're going to go to corrections, and we're going to increase the brightness and contrast by 20. Yep, right here. Boom. Much better. A little bit of contrast never hurt. Do the same thing to the image on slide 3. Oh, to the same image on slide 3. Apply a rounded diagonal corner white picture style. So picture styles are right here. Rounded diagonal corner right. Oh, white. Right there. That's it. Yeah, white. Okay, that's it. On slide 4, add a convex bevel picture effect. So this is a trick because this is not a picture style. This is a picture effect. And it's a bevel. Convex bevel. That's relaxed inset, hard edge, convex bevel. Boom. Adjust the top bevel width to 14 point and the top bevel height to 9 point. Okay, this is one of those things where you have to kind of right click and go into format picture. And we're going to go into the bevel, which is the 3D, not 3D rotation, size, position, picture corrections. No, I think it's under here if I remember correctly. Shadow, glow, soft edge, 3D format. There, 3D format. Okay, this is where all that good stuff. Remember when we were doing all like 3D Superman text? This is where it was. So 3D format, top bevel, width, and height was what? Let's see. The top bevel width to 14.9. Okay, 14.9. Geez, okay. Well, I can do that. 14. And then this one to 9. Oh yeah, look at that. It looks so nice. Look at that. Okay. Let me close this out. I think I'm done with that. Add a film grain artistic effect to the image on slide 5. Film grain artistic effect. Film grain, right there. Artistic effect. That looks pretty cool. Add an entrance animation of fade to the titles and subtitles in the presentation. All timing should be set to after previous. So I'm going to start up here then. Titles and subtitles. Entrance animation of fade. Basic, subtle, no. Mine's a little different than yours. Moderate. Oh, these are all my entrants, that's right. Of fade. Fly in, strip. Do I even have fade? Oh yeah, there it is. Beautiful. Let me set the timing to after previous. Come on. There. Fade. After previous, and I always say preview. So if it comes in, make sure it comes in with the slide. Right after the slide comes in. Boom. Okay, we're good. I'm going to go ahead and form animation paint that. Double click animation painter to turn it on so I can just go through the whole presentation and just keep painting. Just like that. 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 That's it. Okay, 6 slides. Come up here and hit the animation painter once to turn it off. Let's go ahead and play our presentation. Good. Oh, because the video, we're going to have to fix that. Because look, the text doesn't come in until after we click it. It's a problem. Text comes in fine there. On everything but the video. Alright, so let's go back to that video. Here's our video, the butterfly MP4 video. I guess we need to go ahead and say that this needs to start with previous, and then, yeah, just like that. Okay, then the text will come in by itself, because right now it was set to on click. Alright. Oh, look. The video on slide 3 presents a problem with the animation effect. Can you figure this out? How can you fix it? Psychic. Alright, I wrote this. On slide 5, change the layout to a comparison layout and insert a video from YouTube and the new content box reflecting photosynthesis in plants. Change the layout to a comparison. Home tab, layout. Comparison content with caption. Comparison slide layout. Right here, we're going to insert a video. I don't think I can do the YouTube thing. I have to just kind of insert a video from YouTube. I have to actually find the link, I think. I don't know why. It's much easier on yeah, see that? It's much easier on the PC version to insert a video. The video should have something to do with photosynthesis. Yeah, photosynthesis in plants, which should be pretty easy for you guys to find. Create your own slides 6 and 7 that matches the rest of the presentation. The subject of slides 6 and 7 should be the disappearance of the honeybee, with slide 1 being the cause and one slide being the effect. This slide should be classy and informative with well-organized animations on all text and visuals. You may choose to use a video, a picture, several related pictures, whatever you need to make these 2 slides as informative and effective as possible. Read the articles on tiles 4 and 5 right here. And I gave us a video on the death of the honeybee. But here's an article on slide 4 from very reputable sources. This is sciencenews.org. Alright, and here is a very long article on the disappearance of the honeybees. And then here is something called colony collapse disorder, which they think played a huge problem, or they know played a huge problem in the disappearance of the honeybees. And after you read all this stuff, you should be able to write, or put together, not write, let's not say write, because there shouldn't be much text at all really happening on these slides. Remember, it's PowerPoint, so after you insert 2 new slides here, boom, boom, like that, and you go ahead and add some kind of layout to these slides. I'll do a title and content layout to both of them right now. One of them should be the disappearance of the honeybee's cause, the disappearance of the honeybee's effect, or maybe do one entrance effect, the disappearance of the honeybees on one slide, and then do a comparison, cause and effect, and maybe have some links to some important information. But I did give you guys some stuff here to work with. So use the tiles in your BlendSpace account to make these new slides happen and make them very, very informative. Alright, so I know I wasn't able to finish this thing with you guys. Maybe I'll put in a cut here where I cut to a finished portion after I go to school and work on this on an actual PC. Either way, the last 2 slides are up to you, and make sure you use the online image finder for your disappearance of the honeybees. Make it nice and informative. Put the animations happening in here and make them very nice. Alright, and that's this assignment. It's pretty easy. It's not bad. Alright, and that's video effects. There's not much you can do with video in PowerPoint. Not really.